Imagine being able to make up to $400 each day by simply typing names on the internet. I mean, how great is that? Here's how it works. Now when you type one word or one name, for example, Steve, and boom, you make money, and then you type another name, such as Natasha, and you get paid again. This is a great opportunity, and here's how much money you can make. Typing one page of a name earns $15, typing 5 pages earns $75, and typing 20 pages a day earns $300. The best part is that there is no limit to this. You can type as much as you want and earn as much money as you want. You can do this on your phone or on your computer. This job is 100% free and available worldwide. Make sure you watch all the way to the end so you don't miss out on the sign-up procedure, which is actually rather difficult and most people get it incorrectly. But before that, make sure to subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell for daily new money-making videos. So, without further ado, let's get into the video that you can see here. We can actually estimate how much money you can earn from this brand new opportunity by using the calculator on this website. Observe this rate per word, which indicates how much money you can be paid per word that you type, in this example 5 cents in US dollars. A typical page contains roughly 300 words. For example, in this typing name project, here is page number 1, this is page number 2, and this is page number 3, and on each of these pages, you can get paid simply by typing names. Now, let me show you this page, where you can get paid $15 and the entire word count is 300 words. And you can see that this is truly one word by scrolling down below. Now scroll down below to see the total of 300 names, which equals 300 words, and you may earn $15 each page by simply typing your name on this website. This is actually a very fantastic earning potential. Take a look at this $15 per page offer. We can receive up to 20 pages per day, which means you could easily earn $300 or $400 per day. By simply typing names into this website. First and foremost, I want you to visit this website, talentdesire.com. Earn money from home without spending a dime, and this opportunity is completely free. You don't need to invest anything and you don't need any money to get started. As you can see by scrolling down below, they offer a variety of work from home options, including online proofreading jobs, freelance blogging, language translation, and online page surveys. There are many different jobs that you can do on this website, but we're going to focus on online typing because it's one of the easiest things to do and requires no experience or technical skill at all. You can see the online typing job here, and I want you to go ahead and click on this red button right here to read more. Take a look at this. You can earn anywhere from $1,300 to $27,000 per year, which is a great opportunity for people from all over the world. As for the joining fees, you can see here that the registration is completely free. There are no hidden cards before or after you join, and we never ask you to invest at any point. Now, based on your skill level, you'll be paid a varied amount of money, ranging from beginners to experts. Now, in just a moment, I'll give you a secret additional tip that will help you earn a greater rate, which you can see here. Even if you are a complete beginner, you can get paid on an expert level, and I'll teach you the approach in a moment, and no one else is aware of it. So, right now, I'm going to show you a small bonus that will help you make a greater rate by simply typing names online. Now, go to ratatype.com. Basically, this is the homepage of this website where you can take a free typing test. I want you to click on this yellow button right here, and then you'll be taken to this page where you can start typing on your phone or computer. I want you to go ahead and click on this Start Typing Now button. The reason I want you to do this test of speed typing is because they actually offer you this website prototype free certificate. As you can see right now that you actually get this certificate completely free, and I'm going to show you all the steps of this video and how you get it. The reason you need a typing certificate is that it will increase your income and earning rates per page. If you want to make $15 for every page you type, make sure you acquire this certificate, and it's the ultimate secret, since even if you're totally new, to prove you can type this certificate and get accepted much faster, you can get more paying ties and unlimited jobs. And with these statements, it is very crucial for you to stay watching for exactly how to obtain this free certificate, and how to complete your application on talentdesire.com to be paid up to $300 or even $400 every day. If you start typing on this website, you can now see how many words and also your accuracy can be recorded per minute. Now, accuracy refers to whether or not you make any spelling or typing errors. Your accuracy should be between 98 and 99.99, as shown here, and the higher your accuracy, the more money you can make. Again, by taking a typing test and obtaining a certificate from this website, you can demonstrate your typing speed and accuracy, which will result in a higher payout rate. Let me show you a real-life example of taking these tests right now and receiving your certificate in less than 5 minutes. Once I finish writing, you can see that they will show me right here my type speed, which is 103.8 words per minute, and my accuracy is 99.4. This is my actual findings, so you do not worry about it when your speed is slower or your accuracy is less than 98, because you can actually return to this website ratatype.com and actually restart typing testing. You can actually create a free account by entering your email address and password and go ahead and click it. If you get the results you're pleased with, you can actually scroll down here and you can register for a free account on Ratatype by clicking on this link right here. As you can see, I entered my name, email address, and password here. I'm going to click on this one right here and then on this button. I'll come back and log in to my Ratatype account once I sign up for a free account. You can simply close this tab right now. You can see my name right here on my dashboard, and these are my typing speed and accuracy results. Now, if you scroll down below, you can see that this is my certificate. Simply clicking on my certificate will bring me to this page, where you can see the award given to Moneyzilla for typing in English at a rate of 104 words per minute with an accuracy of 99.4%. The Ratatype.com signature even shows you to check that the certificate is true. This certificate is really very good for you here, and a much higher rate can be paid to you. I want you to continue to watch because I will show you how to register and how to apply for a job at talentdesire.com. You can start receiving typing jobs and projects like this one right now and earn $15 over and over again. Now, as you scroll down, you can actually click on this print button right here. Don't worry, you can do this not only on your computer, but also on your mobile phone. Simply save the image of your certificate or save as a PDF file by clicking the Save button. Here is my certificate, which I get absolutely free of charge from a Ratatype website. You can start applying for this job once you get this certificate. Then we will be over talentdesire.com and I want you to scroll right down to the very bottom of this website. And then you will be able to start applying for your job, clicking on that red button. Please pay great attention and watch this video till the end. You may possibly get lost on the registration page because the registration page here is quite hidden on this website. Now that you've arrived at this page, simply scroll down to see what I mean. Click on this red link to pick an application. After that, you'll be sent to this website, where you'll find an online application form for work from home employment. I want you to scroll down here and search for this tiny red link right here, fill in your information, and submit your application. As may be seen here, this website's sign-up page is actually rather secret. If you are unable to locate this registration page, please re-watch the video. You may see again, as you scroll under this page, that your personal information will be filled in. First of all, click this and agree your privacy policy and then enter your first and last name, and also your email address, contact number, and country as well. When you click on this arrow down, you can see they welcome individuals from all around the world. Moving on to the following phase, which is primarily about your professional information, is a critical component that many individuals overlook. On this stage, I want you to put in the job title section, which is Professional Data Entry Expert. It is very necessary for you to type the job title like this one, and then what time is ideal for you to click on this down arrow. Here you can really choose whatever time you want, but I want you to choose all day since it will provide you more possibilities and work, which means you will be able to earn more money online. Also, this is the best way for you to collect your profits. When you click on this down arrow, you will be able to select from PayPal, Payoneer, wire transfer, and direct deposit. You can now pick one of these statuses by scrolling down below your current occupational status. Once you've filled out all of the information, you can click on this Yes and Run button to accept the above statement as well as your signature. All you have to do now is type in your complete name and click on this I'm not a robot button, then click on this Submit button. Once you've been accepted, you'll be able to start getting typing name tasks like this. As you can see, for just 300 words on one page, you can make $15, and for the second page, you can earn another $15, and for page number 3, you can earn another $15, and so on. You may earn $15 for every single page that you type. However, to continue obtaining fresh daily jobs, make sure you submit your job on time. If you want to see more money-making videos, subscribe to my YouTube channel and turn on the notification bell. You'll see a video teaching you how to earn $1,500 by entering names and other fantastic methods to make money online right on the screen. To begin watching, click on any of these videos, and I'll see you on the next video.